UCA! UCA! I'm Wanjala Theophilus from Building and Civil Department, vying for a presidential aspirant, a SIDAKA student, a member of this school. Allow me to use Kiswahili because it's the only language everybody will understand with this. I want everybody to understand my message. That is why I'm going to use Kiswahili. First thing, after taking the government of this school, after taking the school council of the school, after taking the council of this school, I have strategies that I'm going to use on this school to make it a better place for everybody. First thing that I'll do, I will liaise with the administration to organize for opening forum every term and the closing forum every closing of the term. Yes. This will help our comrades to share their issues to the administration directly and guide the administration on how the comrades want to be led. I will also liaise with the guiding and counseling to organize for guiding and counseling forum so that the comrades show their problems to the administration and the administration will work on it. Okay, my friends, let me ask you, between the father and the mother, who is the leader of the family? I have a strong lady called Marita, whom you can send to me and bring your issues and I act on them. Yes. I'm not a coward. The way you see me, nobody can pocket me. Yes. Easily the way people are thinking. Yes. I'm not ready to be bribed by anybody. I will die for you as comrades. And I'm not a project to anybody. The way people usually say. Yes. Nawaambieni kila mmoja, nimekuja hapa na nina malengo. Kilichofanya nisimame hii ni kwa sababu niliona maoni yenu na nikaona natosha kuwasaidia.
Mama haizi kalia baba.
UCA! 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 In this school, we need a lot of improvement. When it comes in classes, our classes are few. And there is a project which is not completed. I can liaise with the administration, advise them to convince them to finish that project so that will be used by comrades. The second thing, when I take the student council, I have an idea of starting liaising with the administration and start a project that will help students council to have some cash that will help us in terms of welfare. Tuache mchezo ya kupigia wanafunzi simu tukiwaomba pesa ya matanga. Niwaulize, mkiona hii sura yangu inakaa kutishwa? Hapana. Inakaa kuwekwa mahali nifinyiliwe? Hapana. Sawa, sasa mimi ndio kiongozi nitakaye simama imara, niwaongoze, niwapeleke huko, ni wako juu, waushughulikie.
Yes.
About our sisters in dressing and beauty.
Yes.
Nimekuwa huko. Nimeona hao sisters zetu. Wana service nzuri sana. Of which when we market their services, we can allow customers to come here and so that that department make some cash and they will use it in welfare in their department. About the Department of Fashion, I saw my sisters and brothers. They are capable. We can go and convince our brotherly school there, Chepiusi boys. When we liaise with the school administration, we convince the school and give us the contract of supplying their trousers. So that our